Hello friend, good evening. Today I am going to explain question number 26 of NCERT book of chemistry grade 11. And up to question number 25 I already explained in the previous video. Now this is the question number 26. Let us understand the very basic and simple question. The what the question is saying, classified an OE number, classified following oxide as a neutral, acidic and basic, neutral, acidic, basic and amphoteric. Okay, and then next one is write suitable chemical equation to show their nature. Okay, that if they are acidic, so we have to show that is the uh, they are acidic with the help of the equations. Okay, now let us solve the question one by one. Solution number A, and when you go solution number A, that is CO is there, it is the neutral, it is the neutral means it will neither reacts with acids nor base. This is the what the meaning of neutral. If something is neutral, so it will neither react with acid nor base. So this is the first option. Now the when they are asking the equation will not be given because it is neither reacting with acid nor a base. But what it is acting as a oxidizing a reducing agent. Okay, this always act as a reducing agent. Now the solution number B. Solution number B, and that is I am going B2O3. This molecule is there, and B2O3 is acidic molecule. Why it is acidic? It is acidic. It is acidic. I am writing it is acidic as it reacts with base, as it reacts with base and form salt. For example, if B2O3 is treated with NaOH, it gives sodium metaborate. It gives sodium metaborate. Now see the equation. How can we see that is B2O3 plus 2NaOH, it will give that is 2NaBO2 plus H2O. This is nothing but this is the sodium metaborate. So why the B2E3 is acidic? That we understood that is it is reacting with the base, because it is reacting, it is it is acidic, it react with the base and form a salt. And if you are treating B2O3 with the sodium hydroxide, it will give the salt sodium metaborate plus water. Now let us see what is the C number is there, solution number C, and solution number C is there SiO2. Okay, and SiO2 is also acidic. Okay, it is also acidic. How it is acidic? It is acidic as it forms salts with base. When it is treated with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium silicate. It gives sodium silicate. Okay, so if you are writing the equation, what SiO2 is there plus 2NaOH, it will give that is Na2SiO3 plus H2O. This is the sodium silicate, and this is the what? Salt. this is the C number, that is SiO2 is acidic. Why it's acidic? Because it is reacting with the base and forming the salt. You know what the reaction, if you are reacting with the sodium hydroxide, it will give the what it will give, it will give the sodium silicate and water. Now let us go for the next option of the same question, and next option is there, that is carbon dioxide. Okay, next one is carbon dioxide, and this is the D number, and D number is carbon dioxide, CO2. Now we have to prove that carbon dioxide is nature of carbon dioxide. We know that it is acidic in nature. Okay, and when you are going to find out the equation, because it reacts with base and form salt, therefore it is acidic in nature. Now let us prove with the reaction. If it reacts with NaOH, then it gives Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Okay, now see the equation, how it will give the sodium carbonate. If the CO2 is there, if it is reacting with the 2 NaOH, it will give, that is Na2CO3 plus water. This is what? Nothing but the carbonate salt. Now we are having the next number, and next number is there Tl2O3, that is thallium chloride. Okay, thallium oxide, and this is thallium oxide is amphoteric. And what are amphoteric? It reacts with both acid and base. It reacts with both acids and bases. Now see how because they are asking the equation, how can we prove that this is acidic or basic? So if you go Tl2O3, so I think, I am sorry, Tl2O3 is not actually amphoteric. Tl2O3 is not actually amphoteric. It is actually Al2O3. Okay, Al2O3. And now if you are taking Al2O3, I am sorry for this, if you are taking the Al2O3, so with base, I am reacting with base, so it will give the sodium metaborate, Al2O3 plus 2 molecule of sodium hydroxide, and if it will react, it will give the 2 NaAlO2, sodium metaaluminate plus water. Okay, with acid, if you are watching it with acid, what it will give? Al2O3 plus H2SO4, 3 molecule, you take H2SO4, it will give Al2SO4 thrice plus 3 molecule of water. So Al2O3 generally asked in the questions. Okay, that is the nature of the Al2O3. So Al2O3 is amphoteric because it reacts with both acids and base. Now F number is there, and they are asking what is the nature of PbO2. And when you are going PbO2 is also one of the amphoteric. Okay, amphoteric. Why amphoteric? It reacts with both, it reacts with both acids and bases. That is why it is amphoteric. Now with the help of reaction, we can prove that with base, if I am giving the reaction with base, what it will give? With base, if you PbO2 plus 2 NaOH, it will give Na2 PbO3 plus H2O. So this is what, this is salt. And with acid, what it will go give with the acids, if you see, if you are writing that is 2 molecule of PbO2 plus 2 molecule of H2SO4, so it will give PbSO4. This is also 2 molecule plus 2H2O plus O2. Now the last option is there, and this one is Tl2O3, Tl2O3, thallium oxide, and thallium oxide is basic. Why it is basic? Because thallium oxide, because it reacts with acids and form salts. Now what we have to do here, we have to check out that is the Tl2O3 plus with the what HCl, 6 HCl molecule, so it will give 2 TlCl3 plus 3H2O. So this is what the thallium chloride salts. So this all we understood, that is how to understand if anything is acidic or anything is basic. Just we have to treat with the, if something is acidic we have to treat with the base, so we'll find the salt. If anything is basic we have to treat with the salt, if anything is basic we have to treat with the acid, and then we'll find the salt. And if it is the amphoteric, then we have to show that is the reaction with both, it will react with the acidic and basic, acids and base, so it will give the respective salts. And if it is neutral, it will not react at all with the acid and base. Like the carbon monoxide we study, and carbon monoxide we find that is carbon monoxide is neither acidic nor basic, neutral. And neutral means what? It will neither act as a react with the acid nor base, but what it will act? It will act as a reducing agent or oxidizing agent. That is all about today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching, friend.